I'm sitting here right now with too much in my head. Bills I haven't paid, emails I keep ignoring, calls I need to make. My brain feels full and I don't know where to start. So I open Grok, I type one sentence. I have 30 things to do and I'm paralyzed. Help me pick one thing I can do in 20 minutes. I hit enter. 4 seconds later, I have an answer. One clear step, no confusion, no overwhelm, just a next step I can actually take. That's what we're doing today. If your brain feels like a browser with 80 tabs open and you don't know where to start, this is for you. So what is Grok? It's an AI assistant from XAI. You can use it on X and on the Grok website or apps. You type a question or a problem. It gives you an answer in seconds. That's it. Think of it like a smart friend who never sleeps, never judges you, and always responds fast. You can ask it to break a big task into small steps, help you organize your thoughts, write an email for you, plan your next hour, explain something you don't understand. It won't do the work for you, but it helps you see what to do next. And when you're stuck and spinning in circles, that clarity is everything. Now let me be honest about cost. There's a free tier with limits. You can use Grok without paying anything. You might hit a cap on how many questions you can ask per day or how fast it responds. Historically, free quotas reset periodically, so hitting a cap just pauses you. If you use it a lot, you might need to wait or upgrade. Premium or Premium Plus and Super Grok unlock higher limits and faster access. I'm telling you this because I'm not here to hype anything. I'm here to tell you the truth. For most beginners, the free tier is enough to get started. You can test it, use it for basic help, and see if it actually helps you. If it does, you can decide later if you want to pay. If it doesn't, you didn't lose anything. But you need to know going in that free means limited. That's just how it works. To use Grok, you need an X account. If you don't have one, you can make one in 2 minutes. Email and password. That's it. No credit card required for the free tier. Once you're logged in, you look for the Grok icon in the menu on the left side of the screen. You click it. A blank box appears. You type your question. You hit enter. You get a response. That's the whole process. It's not complicated. If you can send a text message, you can use Grok. Now let me talk to you straight. If you're broke right now, you don't need another thing to learn. You need less confusion. You need to stop wasting time overthinking. I know what it feels like when you sit down to work and you just freeze. You have 10 things to do and you can't pick one. So you scroll your phone for an hour instead. Then you feel worse because you didn't do anything and now it's later and you're still stuck. That's not laziness. That's your brain trying to solve too many problems at once. And when you don't have money, you still have time and energy. But if you burn all that energy on confusion and decision fatigue, you end up with nothing. This is why one clear step matters. Because when you're overwhelmed, you don't need a big plan. You need to know what to do in the next 20 minutes. That's it. Just one thing. And when you finish that one thing, you have momentum. Momentum is the feeling that you can actually move forward. It's proof that you're not stuck forever. And when you're broke and tired and everything feels impossible, momentum is what keeps you going. Grok doesn't fix your life, but it clears the noise. Instead of sitting there paralyzed, you ask one simple question. What should I do first? You get an answer in 10 seconds. You move. That's it. You can't afford to waste another day stuck in your head. This tool helps you get unstuck. That's why it matters. All right, Let me show you exactly how to use this. I'm going to walk you through every single step. This is for total beginners. If you've never used AI before, you can do this. Set a timer for 20 minutes and follow along with me. First, go to x.com. Log in. If you don't have an account, click Create Account. Type your email. Pick a password. Follow the prompts. It takes 2 minutes. Once you're in, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with icons. Look for Grok. It's usually near the bottom. Click it. A new screen opens. You'll see a blank box that says something like, Ask Grok anything. That's it. You're in. Now type this exact sentence. I'm feeling overwhelmed. Can you help me? Pick one simple task to start with. Hit enter. Wait a few seconds. Grok will respond. Read what it says. It might ask you what's on your mind, or it might give you a suggestion right away. Answer it. Just type whatever's true. I need to pay a bill, but I keep avoiding it. I have emails I haven't answered. My room is a mess and I don't know where to start. Type one honest sentence. Hit enter. Grok will give you a next step. Read it. That's your first interaction. You asked a question. You got an answer. That's how it works. Now let's try something more useful. Open your Notes app on your phone or grab a piece of paper. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Write down every single thing you need to do. Don't organize it. Don't worry if it makes sense. Just dump it all out. Pay electric bill. Text mom back. Apply to 2 jobs. Clean kitchen counter. Return library book. Check bank account. Fix broken drawer. Everything. When the timer stops, you're done. Don't add more. Don't edit. Just stop. Now go back to Grok. Copy your list, or if you wrote it on paper, type it into Grok. Then type this sentence above your list. Here's everything I need to do. I'm stuck. Help me pick 3 things I can do in 20 minutes. Hit enter. Grok will scan your list. It will respond with 3 tasks. Read them carefully. These are the 3 things Grok thinks you can finish quickly. Now, here's the key. Pick the easiest one, not the most important, not the one you should do. The easiest. The one that feels like the smallest lift. That's your starting point. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Do that one task. Don't check your phone. Don't open another tab. Don't switch to something else. Just do the task. If it's paying a bill, open the website and pay it. If it's sending an email, write it and hit send. If it's cleaning one counter, clean it. When the timer goes off, stop. Even if you're not done, even if it's not perfect, you moved. That's what counts. You broke through the freeze. You finished something, or you started something. Either way, you're not stuck anymore. Now, here's the system. Tomorrow, do the same thing. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Brain dump everything in your head. Copy it into Grok. Ask for 3 tasks you can do in 20 minutes. Pick the easiest. Set a 15-minute timer. Do it. Stop when the timer ends. That's day 2. Day 3, same process. Brain dump. Ask Grok for 3 tasks. Pick one, 15 minutes. Do it. Day 4, same thing. Brain dump. Ask Grok. But this time, try asking a slightly different question. What's one thing I keep avoiding? How do I start it? See what Grok says. Then do the first step for 15 minutes. Day 5, brain dump again. Ask Grok to help you look back. I did these 5 tasks this week. What should I focus on next? See what it says. Then pick one and do it for 15 minutes. By day 5, you'll have finished 5 real tasks. 5 things that were stuck in your head are now done. That's progress. Real, measurable progress. and you did it in 20-minute chunks with a free tool. The system is simple. Write down what's in your head. Ask Grok what to do first. Do one small thing. Repeat tomorrow. Grok just helps you think faster. You're still the one who does the work, but at least now you know what work to do. Let me be clear about what this doesn't do. It doesn't make you money. It doesn't solve all your problems. It doesn't replace hard work or discipline or showing up every day. It just gives you clarity. And clarity helps you move. And movement builds momentum. And momentum is what pulls you out of being stuck. That's all this is. A tool to help you see the next step. Nothing more, nothing less. Here's what I want you to try. Today, right now if you can, go set up Grok. It takes 5 minutes. Do your first brain dump. 3 minutes. Ask Grok to pick 3 tasks. Read the response. Pick the easiest one. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Do that task. When the timer ends, you're done. That's it. 23 minutes total. And when you finish, I want you to notice how you feel. Not amazing, not transformed. Just notice if you feel a little less stuck, a little clearer. That's enough. If you want, come back and share one tiny win. I sent 1 email. I made 1 call. I cleaned 1 corner. I paid 1 bill. Just 1 thing, because that 1 thing is proof you can do this. You don't need a big plan. You don't need to fix everything today. You just need to start. 1 small move, 1 clear step, and then another. That's how you build a way forward. So go try it, and let me know how it goes. I'll be here.